Today I will be showing you the AeroGarden. This product allows you to grow fresh lettuce, herbs, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and much more. If you like this content and would like to see more, please like this video and subscribe. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. Today our sponsor is Audible. Get 3 months of Audible for free. Stream bestsellers, popular titles, and more. Click on the link below for details. Now let's get to the video. Also, be looking for another video related to this in a month or so. I'm going to be doing a time lapse of the lettuce growing that I'm going to be showing. So be looking for that. It'll be a cool time lapse, and let's get ready. Hello everybody, I'm Hidden Corners, and today I'm going to be showing you my AeroGarden. This one is one of the smaller versions. I'll try to give you a link down in the below if anybody's interested in this. But this is very good at growing your own lettuce. So your part right here on the left is really just the main base part. It has all of your lights and stuff built in. Here's essentially where your reservoir is. It's got a pump down in here that comes with it. It's essentially just I think the kind of pump it looks like is the same thing you'd have in like your pet watering bowls that are automatic. Essentially, you fill the water up to the fill line. You can see where that says right there. You have this piece, which essentially goes on top. Oh, let me get that on there. Have all your extra little covers. This solution comes with it, and you can buy it separately. This is just your plant food that comes with it, essentially. It's very easy. Depending on your pods, it tells you like how much you need to use. I think for mine, it's going to be 4 milliliters, which is 1 capsule. So I put 1 to 2 capsules essentially. And I usually just use this little top cap. What we're going to be doing is growing romaine in this cycle. Lettuce, as far as it goes, really only lasts maybe 4 to 6 months before the plant gets old. So you essentially plant like usually 4 to 6 months. It takes about a month until the lettuce is harvestable. Once this thing is going, like the lettuce will be all the way up to the light, and what I'll do is essentially just chop the top third off of it, and it's ready to eat from there, and it just keeps growing from like that. Let's see, we'll put that one in there. You can put these anywhere. I usually put them like this. I'm going to be doing a time-lapse video of this, growing the lettuce. I'm taking essentially a picture every day. So let's get that down there where it's... So essentially I'm just making sure that the little sponge, there's some little sponge thing with seeds in it. Get that on there good. Get that on there good. I'll add this later. Essentially, 1 second. Let's see if I can pick this up without spilling it everywhere. Oh, there you go. The base just sits on there like that. Got all those on there. And back here we'll connect the cable. So we get our pump going. And I'll plug it in. Your carrots start to pump. And all you gotta do is start a new garden. So let's set the clock. It is now 9:32. Okay, good. Let's do the lettuce. So time on. I like mine to come on at 2 a.m. So it'll come on at 2 a.m. and at 7 p.m. it'll go off. Okay. settings correct. We've already filled it up. You can actually hear it. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the water running. So essentially it pumps up into this upper piece up in here and then runs back down. I'll do next. Hard to put the seed pods in. I'm gonna put the nutrients in later. It's just pouring it in two capfuls. Okay. Ready to go. That's what mine looks like. I know I've had this thing a few years, so these things work really well. I wouldn't say necessarily you're going to save a ton of money. This is, to me, it's more like a hobby. It's fun to grow this kind of stuff in your house, so you don't have to worry about bugs or any of that stuff. Getting on all your lettuce, you got fresh lettuce, and really if you eat a lot, it's probably better to have multiple of these. And the way, if you do eat a lot of lettuce and want it on a daily basis, is probably to have 2 of these. And since the lettuce does get old, so what I would do is start this like I just did here. Maybe when you get to the 1 month mark, you start the next one. So by the time your lettuce is getting old on the first unit, essentially, your second unit's still going to be going. So once you need to change this out, you just change the lettuce here, and you have a whole month until they start growing, until you need to change out the next one. Really, you can start with 1, but that's the way I would recommend if you want just constant lettuce. It just all depends on how much you eat and all that kind of stuff, but the whole thing works amazing. But that's essentially how it works. These things work amazing, and if you're interested and want to support this channel, I'll have one linked in below with my Amazon affiliate account. The clicks and buys on that help support this channel. So also leave a comments if you would like to see anything else on these videos. I have grown tomatoes and bell peppers in my other one before, so if y'all wanted to see a video on that, let me know. Really, my videos are really fueled by your comments and suggestions and likes. If people aren't interested in certain things, there's no point for me to make more videos other than for my just enjoyment. But okay, well, I guess y'all have a good day. I'm gonna eventually give me a month or so, and we'll take a picture every day of everything going, and we're gonna get a time lapse going of the lettuce growing if anybody's interested in that. But okay, thank y'all very much. Also, if you're like me and you don't want to have to make sure this thing has water as much, or you go out of town every now and then, you get this little AeroGarden. I'm not sure exactly what they call it, but it's a little water reservoir. It'll add usually I think up to a week or longer, where you don't have to worry about adding water, because that's the worst thing if you let this thing run dry and your plants wilt and all that stuff. This is well worth it. If there's a link on Amazon, I'll leave one for you. But other than that, you can go to the AeroGarden website and see it there. Thank you very much.